All right, here I was working on a 22 Ram Promaster. I think it was a 1500, and I want to show how to replace the headlight. There's some pretty good videos out there, but they don't really show how the clip works. You're gonna want to remove the whole headlamp, and you want to start by removing this Phillips head down here, and then these two Phillips head up here. And you take them off to take off the panels, and then you can't take them off with the Phillips head because they do run off, kind of like this one did. You can use a pair of pliers to take them off like this, and just be gentle with them. They're only supposed to be finger tight. And then these panels just pop off like this. Just be careful because they might break. One of the tabs on mine's broke, and I'll show that. But yeah, and then it'll reveal 3 10mm bolts. One up here, 2 down here. And this is what the back of that bottom one looks like. That one broke one of the tabs, but it's still fit in because it's held down by the Phillips head screw, so don't worry about it if yours breaks. And the whole thing should just pop off. It has one like little nipple here that holds the thing on, and then one connector that you want to disconnect. It's a little tedious, but it just press down on the tab and then it pops off. You're gonna want to take off this cover, the one on the left. The other one is a high beam, I think, but this is what it looks like. And it has this little like plastic latch that you only use to take off the headlight. So as you can see, I'm lifting up on the latch and pressing it against the headlight, the connector, I guess you can say, and then it just pulls off. The whole thing comes out. Other than that, that latch is not used when putting it back on. All right, and this is what it looks like with the whole thing off. And here's the connector if you need to see that from the other side for whatever reason. And then with the whole thing laying down flat, I put the headlight in first. By the way, it's an H7. The whole thing is round except for one side of it. It has like a tab. You want to make sure that that tab is indexed to this part, which is like another tab on the headlamp assembly. Then when it's time to put the connector back in, this is how it's supposed to go, with these tabs on the headlamp assembly meet these openings on the connector. And I'm kind of trying to show right here how everything just kind of clicks in. You see how the openings on the connector are lining up with the tabs there on the headlamp, and everything just clicks, and you're gonna hear a nice audible, like a snap. And like I said, that latch doesn't do anything. You just want to make sure that it's flat, and you want to make sure that the whole thing doesn't move, and that's nice and rigid in there, and it's not gonna come out. I say that because the last person that did this headlight, I think they did it with the headlamp still connected to the car. It ended up falling off, so they didn't have headlights at night. And you could probably take it out, but there's just no way you're gonna be able to align those tabs without looking at it. The last warning I will say is what happened to me was this little washer came off, and it's not a big deal. You just put it on the bolt, and then you just line it up little by little. It's supposed to look like this, where it's looking up. The little tabs are looking up and down, and you just put it back the way it's supposed to go, and that's about it. So if you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll try to help you out.